So, as it's just going today, the guy that's supposed to repair the washing machine came over. So you can see what's going on. He's about to start. Just open the back, and I'm just walking around trying to capture him. So that is him repairing the washing machine, guys. And of course, this is one of the washing machines. This is the oldest one. The other one is still new. Of course, you can see the color difference. And I'm just shifting the camera from one point to the other, just to show you guys what's really going on and how the guy worked. It was really long, very long. It took a very long time for this to happen. But anyway, we're just seeing how it's going smoothly. And I was there trying to assist him, trying to ask him some questions, try to to relate well with him. Communication is the key, they said. I hope it opens a beautiful door one day. Okay, so that's how we were doing. We were just doing it, and boom. Let me allow you to see some conversation.
The same page you, the same page. So you get the calculator, you go put inside, you go tell you say you don't too much.
And just like joke, somebody collected my conversation.
What your man on the post na on the post online, no attack. Your guy. Okay. On the post on attack. Na see what you do.
So I was already getting bored of the conversation, so I stopped it. And boom, and we're now back. He's still trying to repair. Actually, it's the spinner. The spinner was the part of the machine that spoiled. The wash is still working, but the spin stopped working. So he's trying to repair the spin, and he told me to bend the machine and hold it for him so he can repair it when the machine is on a slanting ground. Almost see the kind of work he's putting me through, but anyway, it's part of the job. You're working in Nigeria, you don't have much says. Anything they tell you to do, you have to do it. So that's how we're just doing it. And you know how I used to do that. I don't used to stay one place. I'm just walking up and down, standing up, trying to looking at him, looking closely as if there's something in him I want to swallow from. But anyway, that's just it. But I'm just used to looking at people like that whenever they are doing something for me or doing something with me, or people admire maybe something like that. So he's telling me to push the spin that to rotate and push it side. Oh, actually, this is the point where we are trying to test the machine. Yeah, I'm loading the clothes. He told me to load it the way we used to load, so I'm just loading the clothes in the spin region. So right, we are spinning, right? We are spinning. We're spinning. But he noticed something. He noticed that even if I off the spin, it will still not off. So that's where he started to repair it again, and blah 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 blah. Many things happened. Like, okay, I will allow you to eavesdrop in a conversation.
You won't give a car. You know, baby. Like, you won't do that to the guy. That's the past time himself. The top, everything I get so. So, you know what you're like, for my work. You don't like normal for the way to die. Even said, everything don't flat. Just look up for that space. Just leave out for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Till you don't white. That's fast when
And again, that's it. It started becoming boring, and everything happened so fast. And well, we're done. Bye.